the move over here and the change to Supercross has not exactly started super well for Jorge Prado. Now, in the first two rounds, he scored 8 points and 10 points respectively. That gives him 15 in overall as of the moment, because in A2, that picture happened, and well, he scored no points at all. In qualifying, he had one of the simplest crash possible. He went over the berm, obviously, tried to catch himself, pulled his shoulder out, and because of that, couldn't race. And makes good sense. He had a quote or press release saying, quote, "I overjumped the quad a little bit in qualifying and went into the berm. I tried to grab the net on the edge of the berm because I didn't have anywhere else to go. As soon as I grabbed it, I felt my shoulder pop out. It's a shame because it was not a big crash, just a little mistake on my part, but I couldn't avoid it. My shoulder was popped back in 30 seconds later and I was feeling good. Now not very painful. I need to sit out the rest and see how my shoulder feels after today and evaluate from there." Now, as of right now, as I've just noticed this, well, 2 hours ago, as I'm reading this or filming this, from Race Kawasaki on their Instagram, saying, quote, "Monster Energy Kawasaki rider Jorge Prado will miss round 4 of the Supercross Live in Glendale due to injuries sustained at A2. Stay tuned for more updates on Jorge and his return to racing." Now, for them, it probably makes sense. He's nowhere near the championship fight at this moment. You don't want him to have or cause more damage to that shoulder. I mean, obviously, he could probably have raced that night or A2, probably could have raced here in Glendale. It's probably very, very sore. And who knows, there might be a little bit of ligament damage. And for them, it's probably smart. You're super hype guy, probably big, well, not probably, big money contract, moved over here, world champion. You don't want him to yard sale himself in the first year of Supercross and, hurt the rest of the year. Because obviously, going into outdoors, he's going to be a competitor. He is going to be, you have to think, one of the top guys, the championship contender. He's going to be up there because motocross is what he knows. Coming from MXGP, being a world title or multiple time world champion, he's going to be a contender outside. So, I mean, this year in Supercross is all about just gaining experience, getting your, you know, obviously he raced a few rounds last year, but hasn't done the full season, and obviously won't be doing the full season this year now. But the whole point of this, I think, is just to get his feet wet into it, go outdoors, hopefully win the title there, be competitive, and then next year build and build and build. That's my thought on the process, at least. I doubt they saw him coming in and being a title contender for Supercross in the first year. Obviously, with the finishes he's had the first two rounds, that showed he wasn't going to be. But it sucks to see that he's going to be missing at least a round. Well, technically two because he missed A2, but he's going to be missing another round completely. But hopefully, knock on wood, it is just a precautionary week. Let him fully heal, feel better. Let the shoulder, actually take the time it needs to fix itself. Well, at least mostly fix itself, because I doubt it's ever a 1 week process. But hopefully he can, come back after this, race the rest of the Supercross season, get some experience into it, and then we go into outdoors and see where he falls in the lineup with everybody else. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you like A2? Are you excited for Roxton to be running the red plate? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.